Good morning. It's Wednesday, September the 29th, and you're watching Chinese Small Cap News TV here every day exclusively on ChinaSecurities.com. I'm your host, Paul Kandakos. Chinese Small Cap TV is a daily, fast-paced show bringing you the best press releases out of the Chinese small cap sector at the open so that you can hopefully profit from them and potentially find your next great small cap investment. Folks, it's earnings season, so that means I've got 3 great press releases for you. So without any further ado, let's get down to business. We've got some great numbers to report. First one comes out of a company called Tianyin Pharmaceutical. They trade on the New York Stock Exchange AMEX under the symbol TPI. They're a pharmaceutical company that specializes in patented biopharmaceutical, modernized traditional Chinese medicine, branded generics, and other pharmaceuticals. Today they're announcing their financial results for the period ended June 30th, 2010. I've got some highlights which include their annual revenues are up 49% year over year to $64 million. That's up from $43 million the previous year. Gross profit was $33 million, up 55% from $21 million a year ago. Gross margin increased to 52%, up from 49%. And net income rose 52% year over year to $12 million. The company announced they also have cash and cash equivalents of $27 million as of June 30th, 2010. Company's last at $2.69. High of $5.25, low of $2.49, market cap of approximately $72 million. Moving on to our next company, China ACM, China Advanced Construction Materials Group, which trades on the NASDAQ under the symbol CADC. They are a leading provider of ready-mix concrete and related technical services in China. They're announcing their audited financial statements for the year ended June 30th, 2010. Got some highlights which include revenue increased 134% year over year to $93 million. Non-GAAP EBITDA rose almost 30% year over year to $22 million. We've got net income available to common shareholders rose 11% year over year to $12.1 million. And on June 30th, the company announced a record backlog of $60 million in orders. And they also announced they have a pipeline of approximately $33 million right now. Finally, they've got $24 million in working capital as of June 30th, 2010. So the company sounds very healthy, but obviously do your own due diligence on this company before investing. Company's last at $3.26, high of $8.50, low of $2.95, market cap of approximately $54 million. And finally, we've got China Precision Steel. They trade on the NASDAQ under the symbol CPSI or CPSL. They're a precision steel processing company. They're announcing financial results for the year ended June 30th, 2010. I've got some highlights which include revenue increased 45% to a record $110 million. That's year over year. Gross profit was $10 million with a 9.3% gross margin, and net income increased to $5.6 million, and that's up from a net loss of $400,000 in the previous year. Company's last at $1.86, high of $2.98, low of $1.26, market cap of approximately $86 million. That's a wrap for today's show. Thanks for joining us. Make sure to join us again here tomorrow when we've got more great press releases coming out of the Chinese small cap sector at the open.